Uno Blitzo, how to play. The object of the game is to win 4 rounds. The object of each round is to be the first player to turn out all your card lights. Lay out the game unit and turn it on. Select the number of players by pressing the corresponding lit up number, then select the game level. Level 1 is a slow speed with no penalties. Level 2 is a slow speed with penalties. Level 3 is fast speed with no penalties. And level 4 is fast speed with penalties and random instant Uno sounds. Press the center button to hear the instant Uno sound. Then press it again to begin play. Each player will begin the hand with all 4 Uno card buttons illuminated. One of the player lights will light up, indicating whose turn it is. On your turn, listen to the audio command, then press the correct card or pass to the right or left. If you play the correct card, then the card light will turn off. There are 2 yellow command buttons on the sides. When the unit says skip, reverse, or draw, you must use the command buttons. Skip must be played in the correct direction of play, and it skips the next player. If play is going clockwise, you will press the right button. If it is going counterclockwise, you will press the left button. If the unit says reverse, then you must press the command button for the opposite direction, and the direction of play will reverse. If it says draw, then you can press either button to target the next player, and that player will light up 1 to 3 of their cards, or 0 if all of them are already lit. If you can't make a play in time, or if you can't make a play or choose not to play, or you make the wrong play, your turn will be skipped and the next player will need to play. If playing with penalties, then a card will light up. If the unit makes the instant Uno sound, then press the middle button and receive the bonus of getting all but 1 of your lights turned off. When you get down to the last 2 cards in your hand, on your next turn, you must call Uno by pressing the center button instead of pressing the correct card. Then the game unit will play the correct one for you. If you press the card instead of the center, then another player can catch you by pressing the center button before the next player takes their turn, and you will be penalized. The first player to successfully turn out all their lights wins the round. The first player to win 4 rounds wins the game.